No bouncing boobies. What could I call it? Your bull testicle emblem. And then you bolt on your piece number 141031639. Oh, I love dashboards that light up and dance for me. This just got R-rated. Hello everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. I have made it all the way to one of the farthest corners of this Copart facility. Of course, I am here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Lots of cars and trucks. They are moving lots of them around. I guess they're reshuffling the inventory. They're selling lots of cars, so we're gonna see if we can find something that we want to buy. And we want to buy this. Yes, check it out. 2014 Chevrolet Corvette in white over red, or my new favorite word, cinnamon. Absolutely, with the red brake calipers. What a vehicle this used to be. We have had a bit of an impact. So there is some damage on the front, and these arms could be pulled in a little bit, but they're bolt-ons. So if worse comes to worse, you push them back out. And then you bolt on your piece number 141031639. Yep, just buy one of those and you'll be good to go. Everything else, I think, is going to be inside the vehicle. Unfortunately, we cannot be inside the vehicle because this is all electric, and when you lose your battery, you can't get in. There's no way to get in as far as I know. There's your wheel well liner. There's your front bumper. They have just kind of shoved in there. There's some more pieces right there. We have more in the back right here, maybe. The headlights are here. I've never seen a car more stuffed with parts, but what a car. What a beautiful car. I'm starting to like these white cars more and more. I swore for years and years I didn't want a white car. Now I do. This is beautiful. That man right there is gorgeous. But this car is something we're going to have to pass on because I can't get in. So there is some, well, here you go. Just screw that on. These are all plastic, so you just buy new ones. Okay, as long as the interior frame rails and everything isn't, well, okay, that's something nice. I don't think we can open this. So we're going to keep moving on. Virginia. This car comes to us from Virginia. And the award for the coolest car in this lot goes to this 1969 VW Beetle. Oh, look what they've done. The different colors that it's been painted and everything else, they just glossed over it. I love that. I want to do that to a car sometime. Look at the wheels. That is cool. It's a new take on those old Volkswagen wheels, the Beetle wheels. I think this is amazing. I really do. Unfortunately, look at this. Shotgun shells, I guess, they put into here just to make it cool. We have Doobie Brother Classic right there. We have, I don't know, Foul Air Cold Show, Eureka Springs, Arkansas, Foul Air, Missouri. And they got a gigantic parcel shelf. We're going to call that a parcel shelf on the back of this thing with rope going around it. And they painted the slats. I think that is cool. Look at this. Here's this right here should be my thumbnail. That is incredible. We have some Frankenstein welding and everything going on right here with, these are metal pieces going across. You have this, which I guess is still kind of latched. Will it even open? Here we go. Oh, look at that. Say, ah. There's your engine. That does not look very stock to me. I don't know. I've never had a Volkswagen. I had a friend in college who had one. He was then with the FBI for 25 years. This is cool, though. Look, they have the timing marks right there. I kind of want this. I mean, no, I don't, because there's too much damage on the front, and you'll see that here in a second. But this was so cool back in the day. You could even hang your skull or whatever off right here. Your, what could I call it? Your bull testicle emblem. Put your balls right there. Okay, this is amazing. Unfortunately, somebody sat on her. So I really hate to see this. How cool was this? It's a little car, and they've redone the inside too. I love the wheels. I really do. Okay, so this is not going to open, I don't think. Maybe it will. Oh, it will open. It still opens. Oh! Foul Air Girl. How fast did this thing used to go? I bet it would fly. Look at all the electronics. Some of that stock, a lot of it is not. Wow. Okay. Close her back up. Let's see if we can sit down on the inside. This, oh my. Okay. I bet this had the worst ride ever. Look at the interior though. Once again, cinnamon. Cinnamon, cinnamon. What's back here? Nitrous? Is that what this is back here? Oh, this was a racer. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. We have, oh, is this air? I bet this will raise the suspension. We've got a Missouri plate right here that I guess used to cover this part right here. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I know there's no power. There is. There's no power. There's no way this thing is going to start. Absolutely. Look at the 1969 right here from the different eras. You got your PSI. Yeah, this is air ride. You got Oklahoma right over here. Ooh, what is this? Little pieces. No bouncing boobies. All right. This just got R-rated. Oh my, look at the teeny tiny little door pull and the window crank. This still works. Of course. Oh, how fun would this be? Oh my goodness. This is crazy cool. It really is, but unfortunately, oh, always look up. How loud was this thing on the road? Yeah, how loud would that be? There's no radio. There's nothing but just tires, transmission, and a motor, and recovered seats. But this thing, I think, is cool. Thank you, Missouri. Thank you, Oklahoma. Thank you, 1969. And thank you, US of A. Well, very quickly, we discovered this is not for your bull jewels. This holds your trunk open. Or your, yeah. That's what that is for. That's ingenious. That is really smart. Okay, I was going to try to give her a start. I can't. So we're just going to have to say goodbye to this, the coolest car in this entire lot. Absolutely. This is very, very smart. And we are going to say goodbye to the Volkswagen from 1969. And now it's time for something completely different. Absolutely. This is a Honda hybrid Accord right there. Sport in purple. This color pops. This is a poppin' purplish, bluish, depending on where you standish, color. And it's got the black wheels. The problem, I'll show you here, doesn't look to be too severe. Okay, we have some overlapping right there. But this color with the black wheels, look at the front of this thing. Does that not look mean? Yes, I like cars that look mean. I really do. This is your problem right here. Oh, excuse me. And it doesn't look to be terribly, terribly bad, okay? You'll need a bumper, whatever's behind here, and a headlight, but I don't think it got into the suspension. The wheel still looks good. I don't think it got into any of the components. I'm hoping not. I'm hoping this kind of protected it. But wow, look at the flakes. Can you see? That is really pretty. Now, the airbag did go off for the side curtain. Everything else, see, here's your remnants right there. Everything else looks to be okay. Now, I'm running out of juice on the actual camera. Let's see what happens. We have power, so we'll give her some power. Look at this. Oh, I love dashboards that light up and dance for me. Look at that. 5,832 miles. This is a 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid. Power system, brake system, electronic parking brake problem, parking brake not available, TPMS issue, see your dealer. Look at all this, power flow. Look at that, 51 mile range left. Let's go back. Trip computer. Here, let's do this. Alexa, Who is Monkey Wrench Mike? Are you going to look it up for me or no? Alexa, who is Monkey Wrench Mike?
Mike Mack, also known as Monkey Wrench Mike, is a minor character in the film November 22nd.
No!
He was Patrick Lennox's ex-partner and was beaten up when Patrick left town owing money to Ben Scavo.
No.
By the way, I can also tell you your daily horoscope. Are you interested?
Yes.
The skill, My Horoscope, can help you with that. Did you want to enable it?
Yes.
Okay, here's my horoscope.
Ooh, this is
Welcome
fancy.
to my horoscope. Here you'll get insight from the stars about how to go through your day with ease and confidence. What sign do you want the horoscope for?
Aries.
Oh, in Aries, let me consult the stars. Do you want me to remember that for the next time we talk?
No.
No problem. Aries, December 5th. Sometimes, we have an inflated or exaggerated idea about what would pick us up, lift our spirits, or make us happier. Usually, we prefer something to arrive with trumpets blaring for dramatic effect. But more often than not, we just need a tiny development or shift to remind and reassure us that we have a valid reason to feel buoyant and optimistic. You can expect such a reason now or shortly.
I'm
Claim
feeling...
your rewards now. Let's start your free trial to unlock daily predictions for your career and finances.
Alexa, cancel. I'm feeling very buoyant. I really am.
Fun, let's play a game of today's trivia.
Alexa, off. Power off. Oh my gosh, this is cool. I would talk to her all day long if I'm on a trip. Now I cannot... She's not letting me switch into gear or anything like that. But how cool is this? She didn't know who I was either. Everything's going to work. This is a very nice interior. I like it. It's the high seats. It's got this, eco-friendly covering that's probably going to... Are they heated and cooled seats? They might be. Yeah, they are. They're heated seats. Okay. I might get a little sweaty after a while. I don't like that. Look at the wheels, the pedals on the bottom here. Yep, that's nice. This is nice. You can cool things down, heat things up. Absolutely. Only 5,000 miles on the odometer. How fun was this? Okay, so we popped the trunk. It is now open. We have a bag of poo, I think, right there. We got a baby seat. Okay, you got your... That's for your grill, your front bumper. And you got your floor mats. That's a pretty good sized trunk, too. But once again, that color. The color is unbelievable. Ah, love it. Okay, let's see what the... If it will still open. I don't know. It looks like it might. Here it goes. Yeah, here you go. Ooh, ouch. Look at the color. Look at the purple blue against the orange right there. Wow. Look how complicated this would be. Yeah. So you have your little engine, you have your electric engine, and you have your little battery just to keep everything working. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. This is cool. You still have your grease right there for your hood latch. Holy moly. Okay. See, high voltage battery located in the trunkle area. All right, that's okay. This is cool. Oh, this was nice. All right, well, Honda, well done. Job well done. We'll kind of latch that down. We don't want to push it too hard. And that's it. There you go, 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid. And that is going to do it, my friends, for this video. A huge thank you to everybody at Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Once again, the staff is amazing. They are so friendly, so nice. If you have any problems, they're just a phone call away, and they will do whatever they can to make your visit and your purchase a positive experience. How do I know? I purchased a lot of cars from here. I really have. I think I'm driving one today that I bought from here. I think I am. All right, folks, please like, please subscribe if you have not subscribed just yet. I want to get to 100,000, like I keep saying, after all the videos by the end of this year. Well, the end of next year. By the end of 2024, hopefully, Monkey Wrench Mike will reach 100,000 subscribers, which will make my life so much easier, and I wouldn't have to rely on all of those bike reviews to keep things going, if you know what I'm saying. All right, because some people love them, others don't. I have so much fun on the bike reviews and the scooter reviews that I'll just do them just for the heck of it. But I won't put them on the channel as often as I have to do now because I got to make that money. All right, we are back with another video very, very soon. So have a great day, everybody. Like I used to say, hug those kids if you got them. Bye.